Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type C:" and hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space backup and hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *.* space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *.* space .. and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /System32/config/regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcdedit space /export space C:/bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Type attrib C:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space C:/boot/bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.